Hello. So it's like 8:30 p.m., which means it's been pitch black outside for just fucking eons now. It gets dark at like 4. So there's no sun to film this. I worked today, so I didn't have time in the morning to film something. So I'm gonna see if this ring light, this little boy, I don't know where to put it. I'm not filming up against a wall. That even is a bit better. I think that's as good as we're gonna get. I have hair. It's a big mess. I worked today. So this is 8 hours of makeup. I think my phone is blurring it a little bit, so it looks more like a rosy glow. Anyways, today we got a lipstick in the Advent Calendar, so I'm just gonna swatch it and try it on. Tomorrow I'll have more time to actually do something interesting, and by the looks of it, tomorrow will either be a highlighter or an eyeshadow, because it's a bigger square and the lipsticks have like skinnier ones. So today we got a NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and I have a few of these and I really like the formula. And it's in the shade Starstruck. Then the other one's the matte. I worked today. Okay. So the 2 lip products we've gotten so far. One is their soft matte lip cream formula, and one is the liquid suede formula. So they're both matte. This is metallic though, so it's kind of not matte. This is still more of a creamy formula. It stays fairly well, but it's not like a liquid lipstick. This is almost a liquid lipstick. So this is what the big guys look like. And like, you can wear this for a day. You still have to be mindful, it'll still come off. It's not like a Kat Von D lipstick, but yeah, much more of a liquid to matte formula. Anyways, that being said, it's a really nice like raspberry cranberry red. Okay. Also, the other ones, I forgot their name already, smell way better. These actually just smell like paint. You know, they smell like plain makeup product that hasn't had any scent added to it. So I think just because I don't have natural lighting, this isn't going to be too true to color. I should probably put something there, but in person, like a raspberry red. Like, I think it looks pinker on camera than it does in person, but it's like a raspberry cranberry red. You can totally tell that there's none here and there's some there. So my teeth. It would be interesting to try this like on the eyes too. You could probably do this as eyeliner. I might do that in another video because I just don't have time for that now and I already have eyeliner on. I am pretty happy with this one. It's a formula that I actually like and I have purchased some of. So I'm familiar with how well they last. They feel really good, like they're matte, they stay, but they don't feel gross. And it's a color I could probably see myself wearing, especially around this time of year. And yeah, basically all the other makeup products used here on this, you know, fabulous look are the same as in before. Same base products, same eyebrow, same mascara, same eyeliner, super basic eyeshadow, no highlighter. Brought to you by working in a liquor store for 8 hours and just wiping it all off. It gives you a good peachy glow. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's very short video. Tomorrow I'll have much more time, and hopefully if we get an eyeshadow, I can do something really fun with it. And yeah, alright, bye.